speech everywhere. You know, turn on the TV or listen to the radio, it's swear words everywhere. So your kid's bound to come home at some point swearing or saying something that you think is inappropriate. What is it as a parent that you're going to allow in your own house? You know, if you don't believe in swearing and you don't allow that, then you kind of have to enforce that for them to say, hey, you know, there's different ways of talking and, you know, expressing your opinions about things, and, you know, what might others think about you if you talk like that, and just kind of let them know that that's not okay. If you're a parent and swearing is okay for you and that's fine in your family, then that's what works for you.
If it isn't fine in my family, Dr. Palmer, and I believe it's TV, do I stop TV altogether or do I stop the internet? What's your opinion on that, Dr. Palmer?
I think that you have to look at, again, how the child's going to react to that. Sometimes when trying to go to an extreme to stop a behavior, you actually end up bringing about more of that behavior and escalating that behavior. And sometimes when you set a strong boundary like that, the child does respond and they learn quickly and they don't do it again. People have different levels of learning. Some people, you know, they need strong measures in order to be able to learn, hey, you know, no, that's not allowed in my house, I won't do that again. And some people, you know, need kind of lesser penalties on that. So it's really going to depend on your child, but if it works for you to shut the TV off and not allow them to do that, then that's really what you should do. For some parents, it's really about experimentation, because if it's never happened before to you and you really don't know and you know how the child's going to react and you feel comfortable taking a more extreme measure to do that, then try that first and see how the child reacts, and then you know, depending on that, you can either do it again or not. You don't want the kid to feel like they're being punished for everything, because after a certain point they start to kind of feel, they kind of get numb to that and they get used to the punishment, and then that punishment starts to kind of feed into their own core belief systems and everything. So you want whatever limits that you're setting to be productive in whatever goal you're trying to accomplish.